Good evening, Sir Jem. I am Algan Harold James B. from S1F-1 Engek 1. So we're going to discuss or making a video reflection or reflective video in this topic, my immediate family. So my reflections on my immediate family is, our immediate family is often for the first group of people we learn to love, understand, and grow with. They are the ones who shape our character long before the world influences us. For me, my immediate family is more than just people I live with. They are my source of strength, comfort, and identity. Growing up, I didn't always realize how important my family was. There were moments of misunderstanding and frustration, especially during difficult times. But I mat- I mat- as I matured, I learned that day disagreement, every shared laughter, and every silent support taught me something deeper about love and patience. My parents taught me what sacrifice means. Work hard not just for themselves but for us. Sa pamilya na to or sa akong family. My siblings showed up compassionship, teamwork, and the beauty of shared of experiences. Through them, I understood the family this doesn't have to be perfect. It's just need to be a genuine and loving. So my reflection on my family immediate is reminds me that no matter how far I go, no matter far how I sorry, my reflecting immediate family reminds me that no matter how far I go or how much I achieve, they will always be my home. They remind me who I am and where I come from. In their love, I find peace. In their lessons, I found purpose. And that's all, Sir Jem. That is my reflection video or reflective video on this topic, my immediate family. God bless.